thank you all for coming here to beautiful town of Cove. Too bad it's foggy, but it's not 30 degrees, I guess. So thank you all for coming here. Thank you.
Thanks for having us.
Thank you for opening up and our MHA.
So you all will have a few words.
Good afternoon, everyone. It is a pleasure and a privilege to have you all here today. As a former mayor of this town, I know how closely knit the members of this community is. And we welcome all you here today. We thank you for coming. As Danny said, it's too bad the backdrop is not here for the perfect photo.
This is the perfect photo of Newfoundland.
That's about the size of it. So I'd like to thank Chris for the opportunity to be here today. A few words.
No, I'm fine. I'd like to thank the town of Cove and Jody for coming out today and the Reverend she's wandering around for the blessing of the bikes and God for that lovely sunshine.
For the ladies that served us lunch, let's give them a TRP, thank you.
Doing and keep the conversation going. And it's important work that you're doing. For some of you, it's probably tough, but these conversations are hard, and we really appreciate what you're doing. And I hope you ride safe and get to the other side of the country. I also want to shout out to the fire department who opened this up for you today. And